All right, so we were doing wall repair, so we kind of went above on this one. So this is again like drywall person coming in helping skim coating, skim coating, skim coating. Took out some corner stuff, a lot of repairs. So this was about 3.5 hours that I spent just mud work. So now that we've done it, we've sanded everything. You can kind of see it's nice and smooth. Well, now we got dust. So I just use a rag. They have dust rags, but I want to make sure that I'm cleaning all these walls before we paint. I want all that dust to go away. It's how much dust is just there. But the other thing about dusting and then vacuuming is it reveals stuff. So it looked good before, and on this one you can see it where it looked fine, but once you get closer you can see those little divots, and we don't want those. So after vacuuming, those kind of popped up. So we'll hit it with one more coat of mud just to kind of fill that stuff in. But the other thing about cleaning and vacuuming is it cleans a clean area. That's we vacuumed. That's what I was before. You're walking around, that means you're tracking the stuff wherever you go. So you want to clean up the drywall dust as you're sanding it, getting rid of it, vacuuming, dusting. Keep the work site clean. The more clean it is, the less of that dust and debris you get on the wall. So keep your work site clean, smooth walls, vacuum, dust. You should be good. So next will be primer. So after we get done with this, we'll do another video on how we're spot prining.